Now coming to the question number 20, simplify. This is again algebra question. It has 4 parts, A, B, C and D. The first part is p square multiplied by p power 4. So how we will solve it? Question number 20, simplify p square and p4. So here you can see these are p and p are same, so their powers can be added. If they are being multiplied, then the powers will be added. If they are being divided, then their powers are being subtracted. This is the rule in algebra. So we can write it as p2 plus 4. The powers will be added and we can get the answer, which is p6. Now the question 20 part B is m15 divided m5. Here you can see it's the division. For division, the powers will be subtracted. We can write it as m15 divided by m5. Now 15 minus 5. What will we get? We will get m10. m10 will be the m power 10 will be the answer. Next question is part C is k power 4 whole 5 power. Now what are we going to do with it? The powers will be multiplied according to the algebra rules. So here we get k20. K power 20 will be the answer. Now question D is question number 20 part D is 36 divided 36 by 4 by 5 divided by y4 square. We can write it as 36 y power 5 divided by 4 y power 2. So here you can see we can divide 36 by 4, and here for this the powers can be subtracted. So in 4 table 36 comes 9 times. 9 times 4. So here we will write it as 9 and powers will be subtracted. So the answer we get will be 9 y power 3. So the question number 20th question is done. Now coming to question number 21, which is, here you see they have given a number with 2 decimal places is rounded off to 8.4. What could be that number? Write all possible numbers. Here they have given the answer value of 8.4, which they got after rounding off, and the number that was rounded was with 2 decimal places. Is it clear? 2 decimal places mean after decimal there were 2 digits. Next, so what are the possible numbers? The possible numbers are 8.40. When we will round it, we can get 8.4. Then the other possibility will be 8.39, because this 9 is greater than 5. When we round it to 1 decimal place, then it will give the answer of 8.4. Then 8.38. Again 8 is greater than 5. And when we round it to one decimal place, the answer we will get will be 8.4. Same is 8.37. 7 is greater than 5, and again we will get 8.4. Then 8.36. Again we will get the answer after rounding 8.4. Then 8.35. Again we will get 8.4. But when we write 8.34, it will be rounded to 8.3, not 8.4. So this will be not be the possibility. So the all possible numbers are 8.40, 8.39, 8.38, 8.37, 8.36 and 8.35. These are the all possible numbers. Now the next question is question number 22. The mean height of a class is 174 centimeter. Correct to nearest centimeters. Write the upper bound of the mean height, lower bound and inequality to show the range of values. So it's again the upper bound and lower bound question. They have given the height of the class, which is mean height of the class is 174 centimeter. So the thing to consider is correct to nearest centimeters. Here they have given it in centimeters and they have asked for nearest centimeter. It means it's a rounding of whole number. In case of whole number, we will divide 1 with 2. 1 will be divided by 2 and answer we will get is 0.5. So the height given is 174. What will the lower bound? The lower bound will be 174 will be subtracted with 0.5 and we will get 173.5. Then upper bound, what will be the upper bound? Upper bound will be 174 plus 0.5. Answer we get 174.5. Now how will we show the inequality range of values? It is written as, first we will put the lower bound value, then the sign. We can symbolically represent the mean height of class as x. Anything you can write x or a or b, anything you would like. And then here you will put the upper bound value. So the question number 22 is done. Now the last question is question number 23. It's again upper bound and lower bound question. So what is question? They have given us area of a field. And area of the field is 8,300 meter square. Correct to nearest 100 meter square. Write the upper bound of the mean. They should not write here mean height. I think they should be asking for the upper bound of the area, because there is no mean height. No mean height is given here. So it's a mistake in question, I think. So here the value of the field is m square and they have asked for nearest 100 meter square, not the nearest meter square. So when they have asked for 100, we will divide 100 with 2. The value we will get with it is 50, because they have asked for 100 meter square, not to the nearest meter square. So we are doing this step. Now we will find the upper bound. For upper bound, what will be the upper bound? The value of the area is 83 00 plus 50. For upper bound we will add them, and what will we get? 8350. The value we get for upper bound is, then they have asked for the lower bound. Lower bound we will subtract the area with 50, and what will we get? We will get the value 8250. This is the lower bound. Next part is inequality to show the range of values. How we are going to do this? Again, we will first write the value of lower bound, that is 8250. Then x will be representing the area of the field, and here we will put the upper bound value. So the three parts are done, and this sheet is now complete. So the review sheet of test 1 is now complete.